Now what I'm going to do is draw on some of the missing details. So cacti or cactuses usually have texture to them. So I'm going to show that texture by adding lines to them. Not only would it be on the main part, it's almost like the body of the cactus is what I call it, but I would have some on the little arm looking things too. And these are overlapping that other one. That was probably hard to see, but it's right in front of me, so you guys may not be able to see it, but I could. You might see that on yours, and maybe I can't see it through the camera. So now I'm drawing these lines. And here, and then cactus, oh, you would not want to touch one, because they're very prickly. They have a very prickly texture to them. So I'm actually going to draw some of those prickly, spiky things, and I'm going to let them even come off the cactus shape. I'm going to point them in all different directions. So it looks like if I touch it, ouch, watch out. So putting it on the little arm things here. And this is looking, I'm pretty happy with how this looks. But there's something that I can do to really level up on this. So what I'm going to do is I think if the sun were shining on them and it was really bright out, if you notice I did something. Do you see what I did? Oh, somebody said shadows, right? I put shadows around them because if the sun is back there behind them shining this way, there would be shadows in front of the cactus. So what I'm going to do is I could use black. That could be a good color. Or I could just take a darker brown crayon, like the ground here is kind of a light brown. If I use this darker brown, this might work. So I'm going to say, okay, well, there's going to be a shadow here in front of this one. And actually, that's not showing up as much as I like, so I'm going to switch to the black one. So if I see the color doesn't work, just switch to one that will. So I'm going to put the shadow in front of it here, and then in front of it here. And I know what you guys are thinking. There's no room in front of the big one, so his is going to be off to the side here so I can still see it, because that makes it look a lot more realistic. All right, guys, so I'm done working on mine. You are working on yours, and I cannot wait to see what you guys send me.